Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, has been used for centuries not only for its delicious flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. This golden liquid is extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, known scientifically as Olea europaea. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile ingredient with a wide range of uses. One of the most well-known benefits of olive oil is its ability to improve heart health. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil regularly have a lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those who do not. Additionally, olive oil is also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, which can help reduce inflammation and protect the heart from damage. In addition to its heart-healthy properties, olive oil is also beneficial for the skin. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent natural remedy for dry skin, eczema, and other skin conditions. Olive oil can be used as a moisturizer, massage oil, or even as a natural makeup remover. Its antioxidant properties can also help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Olive oil is not only good for the heart and skin, but also for the brain. Studies have shown that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. The antioxidants found in olive oil can also help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Another benefit of olive oil is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is believed to be a major contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The antioxidants found in olive oil can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help prevent and manage these conditions. Additionally, olive oil has been shown to help reduce pain and stiffness in people with arthritis, making it a natural remedy for joint pain. Olive oil is also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin K, and iron. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help support the immune system, promote healthy bones, and improve energy levels. Olive oil is also a good source of oleocanthal, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that oleocanthal can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. In addition to its health benefits, olive oil is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways in the kitchen. It can be used for sautéing, roasting, grilling, and baking, adding a rich and flavorful touch to any dish. Olive oil can also be used as a salad dressing, marinade, or dipping sauce, adding a healthy and delicious twist to your favorite recipes. When choosing olive oil, it is important to look for high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is made from the first pressing of the olives and is the least processed, retaining the highest levels of antioxidants and nutrients. It is also important to store olive oil properly in a cool, dark place away from heat and light to preserve its flavor and health benefits. In conclusion, olive oil is not only a delicious and versatile ingredient, but also a powerful superfood with numerous health benefits. From improving heart health to protecting the skin and brain, olive oil is a natural remedy that can help support overall health and well-being. So next time you reach for a bottle of oil, consider choosing olive oil for its many benefits and delicious flavor.